Right, so let's just see if it works. So I've got a few automations in here. So like, what we're going to do is we're going to go to, where is it? It'll be further up. There's our recruit, right? I don't come to my front page very often. It's going to be there somewhere. Information. All right, let's go here. Zoho, where are you? Quick start. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I'm looking, yeah, blind, right? So here it is. Somebody signs up for my training course, right? Test 2128. Test 2128 at paulnicholson.com at the password. The password. I agree. Sign up. So they're in. They're going to get an email confirming, and they can start the training, right? So it's free to use, free to sign up. Now, I'm not sure how quickly that tag will fire. But what I've got is another. Let's go here. Let me show you another automation I've got for OptimMonster. I run a thing called OptimMonster on my website, right? So when somebody tries to leave, so this is an OptimMonster pop-up form saying, come to the Facebook group. And then there's another one. When they go to the bar at the top, it's called Exit Intent. Before you go, from time to time, I get some okay ideas, want me to send them to you to see what you think, right? And you can put in your name. So we'll do test 2129, test 2129, and sign up. I've just sent a link to your email. Make sure you are ready for my decent ideas to come to you, right? So what's going to happen is I'm going to open my email. I turned it off while I was turn my sound off. So important, confirm your subscription, right? So this is where you've got confirmed subscribers versus unconfirmed, right? So when I go back to my subscribers, the top one, it's not going to show. I'm going to go to unconfirmed here. And the first one's going to be here, look, test 2129, unconfirmed. So I'm going to click on it, just so I don't have to blur it now. So, opened, August 13th, 2019. It has been opened, right? Now, when I go back to it and click it, you're going to get a thanks for confirming, thanks for subscribing. And when I refresh this, you've now got a little circle with a dot saying it's clicked. So the incentive has been clicked. I haven't actually got anything running on that to give them a tag, but I could in theory set a tag up, right? So I've got a click. At the top, I can see obviously the email, any automations that have been put through, any forms they're in, newsletter sign up. That's what form it came from, and any purchases, right? So now I want to go back and see if our test. No, our other one isn't here yet. It may only send the API trigger every 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause it until this next one comes. You know, the one that we signed up with for the course, and then show you that automation running. I actually skipped past this actually working, but it's just come through before I posted the video. So here's the email that's sent off. So the test 2128 signed up for training course, right? You are now enrolled in the training course. And then they got this email. I know you've only just recently signed up. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of some other resources. So they got the forum. Click on the forum and sign up. Click on the Facebook group. Oh, that's the same link. Click on the Facebook group, right? So now they've been triggered. And then when I go to subscribers, I'm going to make sure I don't see it. 2128 was it? So there's the new one, 2128. If I click on it, I can see that they've opened, they're in a sequence email because they're in the new student automation, which triggers the new student email, and they purchased the Zoho Recruit Quick Start Full Training, right? So now they've got a tag. Here's the tag that was added, forum and student. Because they've clicked the forum, they've now got a forum tag as well. So when they clicked here, they clicked the forum. So now they've been tagged as going to the forum as well. So I just wanted to show that sequence working and it going through. I wasn't going to wait for it, but then it came through before I before I actually finished exporting the video. Right, guys, I'm going to close this video off, though, because it's got quite long. It's 30 minutes. I'm waiting for that trigger to come through. It usually doesn't take long. But what it will do, as soon as somebody signs up, it will tag student and run that email automation, right?